Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the first group of the evening, Te Aho Nui.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome an extraordinary group of dancers who embody the spirit of connection across oceans and borders. This is a completely virtual team. 36 dancers who have come together from 10 different US states, Toronto, Canada, and Osaka, Japan. For the past 6 months, they've trained entirely on Zoom, united by passion, discipline, and the shared love of Oriteiti. Tonight, they present a tribute to Marae Taputapuatea on the sacred island of Raiatea, recognized as the spiritual and ancestral homeland of Hawaii. Their presentation honors the sacred marae, the powerful ocean that connects us all, and the legacy of the Arioi. Through the songs Moana Nui E and Whenua Mo'a, they pay homage to the ancestral roots and sacred traditions that continue to guide us. Please enjoy this powerful offering of culture and unity, brought to life by a team who has never danced together in person until now. Under the direction of Leolani Gallardo, please welcome to the stage, Te Aho Nui!
Iura no te unida, hoa tomato hiro. Ya hiro wa tomato hiro. Wa mahura hura te aku te rai. Wa umere mere te hihi mera mera o te rā. No e te ra hunui. E puhi hau mai rao. E poro i arofa. E i aro anoa e toa hau puhi hau. O e te pūro te mau mea. Ava e mava. Ava e iaura.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, round of applause to the group Te Aho Nui.
Wonderful job.
Performing